Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and this video is all about how to create a Roth IRA account in Robinhood. If you don't know what a Roth IRA is or what are the benefits of opening Roth IRA, then I highly recommend that you watch this video so you know why you should have a Roth IRA account and why you should have in Robinhood. So definitely watch that video if you don't know what a Roth IRA is. Okay, so straight away let's go to my screen and then see step by step. I already have a Roth IRA account in my personal account, so I'm using my spouse's account to show you how you can create a Roth IRA live with a screen recording, so you can see every step. How I can do. You can just follow the same steps for opening a Roth IRA. So let's go to my screen. Okay, so I'm in my computer screen with a Robinhood account. So this is the first screen that you will see when you try to open the Roth IRA in Robinhood, right? So in this case, because I already have a traditional IRA, but I wanna open a specific IRA account, I will basically go here with open another IRA. But if you do not have any IRA, the first screen that you would see here would be slightly different, but ultimately once you select IRA, this is gonna be the screen that you will see. So just wanted to put that out there in case your screen doesn't match. So once you click on the IRA, you are gonna land up in this screen as your first screen, right? This is the main screen from where you can follow step by step. So this is the screen that you will see. What you do is you select the Roth IRA here, and as it mentions, right, it basically your tax, it is a tax-free account. Whatever money that you put in, all the withdrawals are gonna be tax-free. The second step is this one. It shows again the some tax benefits that you get and the withdrawal rules, right? If you have not watched that other video, then quickly I want to cover that. Whatever withdrawal that you do, right, in Roth IRA, whatever money that you put in, it's always gonna be tax and penalty free. However, the money that is gonna grow, like say $5,000 you put in and that grows to $6,000, that $1,000 difference is gonna be there will be penalty on that if you try to withdraw that before your 59.5 year age, right? And also the Roth IRA account is less than 5 years. So if those two conditions, whatever is mentioned here, are not met, then only the capital gain that you made out of your investment will be subjected to the penalty, but your contribution is always tax free. That is a big plus for Roth IRA. Okay, the next that you see here is just typical the agreements. I think there's not much here. You can just review that. There are 2 pages of that. You review that, you agree to that, and your account is open. You don't have to do anything else, because Robinhood will, if you have a normal Robinhood account, they already have every information, right? Okay, so now is the contribution time. So you can, is basically right now they're giving 3% match on whatever contribution that you do in Roth IRA. They are gonna match 3%. So let's say you put in $1,000, right? They are gonna give you 3% on that money. Overall, I would say if let's say for this year, they are gonna match up to $210, because the government mandate is $7,000 that you can put in your Roth IRA. That's the max. So they are going to give you, Robinhood is gonna give you $210 in your whatever money that you put in, right? So that's a big plus opening this in Robinhood. And that's how simple it is, guys, to open a Roth IRA account in Robinhood. If any of these steps does not exactly match with your step, then do put your questions down in the comment and I will look it up and I will answer that. That was it, guys, for this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. I make a lot of videos especially in Robinhood platform and options trading, so I'm sure you're gonna benefit with all that. I will talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.